Hello, greetings from Chicago, Illinois. My name is Ginger Leopoldo, and I am an online ESL teacher. I've been teaching over 10,000 classes with over 2,000 students for the past 4 years. I'm also an adjunct professor at the University of the Potomac, where I teach for the ESL program here in Chicago. I know that you have the potential to meet and achieve your goals, and I'm here to be your advisor. I love working with people. I'm creative, energetic, and also patient. With over 20 years as a teacher working with Chicago Public School children and training their teachers, I've been a community builder as well, and currently working on my doctorate in education for organizational leadership. I've run a theater company as the executive director for the Center for Immigrant Resources and Community Arts, and have found ways to use digital media, digital marketing to ensure that we're still providing programming for our audiences. My husband and I opened a little cafe in Chicago back in 2006. So I'm also an event planner and love, again, bringing people together, building community. I look forward to meeting you and hope that we'll have a chance to talk with one another soon. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you in the classroom. Bye-bye.